Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to a captivating journey through the animal kingdom. Today, we embark on an extraordinary quest to reveal the astonishing secret behind the largest heart in the wild. Are you ready to witness the wonders of nature like never before? Let's dive in. Behold, the gentle giants of the ocean. These magnificent creatures are known for their colossal size, but did you know they also boast a heart of epic proportions? Get ready to be amazed as we delve deeper into the depths of their hearts and what makes them truly extraordinary. Moving from the ocean to the sprawling savannas, we encounter another contender for the title of the largest heart. Witness the awe-inspiring bond between elephant families and how their hearts play a vital role in their tight-knit communities. But size isn't the only thing that matters in the animal kingdom. Prepare to have your heart touched by the incredible tales of compassion and love shared among different species. It's truly heartwarming to witness the emotional connections that exist in the wild. And hold on tight as we take you on an adrenaline-packed adventure through the wild. Experience firsthand the heart-racing moments of survival and determination as predators and prey navigate the circle of life. The more we explore the animal kingdom, the more we realize that the heart is not just an organ but a symbol of resilience, unity, and love in the wild. This video will undoubtedly leave you with a deeper appreciation for the creatures that share our planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this wild journey with others. So, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this adventure with fellow wildlife enthusiasts. Let's spread the love for our magnificent animal friends together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and always cherish the enormous hearts of the animal kingdom. Paw Orange Heart.